Welcome to the in front of me POCO F4, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Here scroll a little bit down, and just to activate silent mode you should click here only once on the switcher. Now we can see that the ringtones notifications, they are mute. If you want to turn off silent mode, click here once again on the silent mode icon, and that's it. Also here we have the ringtone volume panel. Just to activate silent mode we can mute ringtone volume panel, and we can see that the silent mode automatically is activated, and if you want to unmute ringtone volume panel, silent mode is turned off. Also we have the third way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button here and click here twice on this bell icon. Once just to activate silent mode. To turn it off, click once again on the on this bell icon, and that's it. And one more way how we can do that, just press up or down volume button and click here on the three dots. We can turn on or turn off silent mode by this way, or just by swipe to the up, to the down this volume panel, and to unmute it, swipe it to the up. And one more, the last way, I think we can also open the notification panel. Here we'll see the mute icon, bell icon. Just click here once, and now just silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click on the bell icon again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.